Hello, Michael from CTW here, and today we're going to continue to expand on building tests, and we're going to show you a neat feature that's embedded within Probe, and it might help you build a test quicker, more speeds expanded, basically make your life easier. So we're going to go back to my first test expanded, where we had just a single speed. Now, you may want to build a test with multiple speeds in increments, and we're going to show you how to do that. So if you grab your speed and you right click, you see this little button called duplicate. If I click on duplicate, I can change by a value or I can change by a step. So start with change by value. So change speed starting at, and it's 10 inches because that's the one I grabbed. If I start at 1 and I go to, just for instance, 15, and I want my increments to be 2 inches per second, right? If I click OK, it will go ahead and populate and build the test for me. So I now have 1 to 15 with 2 inch per second increments. Nice and quick, nice and easy, and it's ready to go. You can hit save and all of a sudden you have that. Now the nice thing is that sometimes it's great to build these, but you can then come back and just alter them slightly to better fit exactly what it is you were really trying to do. So these are all just time-saving features. You didn't really need a 10 and a 9. You're going to go to 7, 5, 1, 3. So that would be how you would build using that function. And now we'll show you the other way to duplicate so that you can see both of them, but pretty self-explanatory. So again, if I go duplicate, come back, now we're going to change by step, right? So change speed starting at, I'm going to just start at 1. We're going to go to 20, and instead of telling it go every inch per second or every 2 inches, you just tell it how many steps do you want to have, and we'll just have a little fun, and we'll just say 25 steps. So whatever it is, it's going to break that from 1 to 20 into 25 individual steps. We click OK, and voila, it's going to populate all those. So basically, if you do the math, it will now do a 25 step from 1 to 20. And you can see it's certainly not a whole number. And maybe this is something that helps you, something you works for. It's really hard to say. You could see maybe using this with R&D and trying to get more points in a PvP, but two different ways to build quickly multiple speeds. So just showing you basically the duplicate function. There you go. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, contact us using the information in the video description.